Hello friends, welcome to Tech Expert. Friends, so many people ask me how to delete any undeletable file or folder from hard drive. So friends, I am making this video only for their request. So let's get started.
Welcome to Tech Expert.
At first, select that folder which you want to permanently delete from your hard drive. And in this case, I am trying to delete this folder. And friends, you see, I can't delete this folder. So what should do I now? Now I am going to teach you a very simple process how to delete this type of undeletable folder or file from your hard drive. And now I am going to press right click from my mouse button, and now I am going to click properties, and then I am going to copy this folder location. And now I am going to open CMD from here. Also friends, you can press Windows plus R button to open CMD. And now I am going to type this command cd space \d, and now I am going to paste that copied folder and then press enter. And now type this command dir space \x and then press enter. Now friends, I am going to find that folder name. The folder name is how to send an untraceable, something like that. And where is the folder? Here is the name of this folder. So friends, now I am going to type another command. The command is rmdir then space q then space \s and then space name of that folder. The folder name is how to s, and I am going to press enter, and you see this file was deleted from my hard drive. So friends, I hope you can learn how to delete this type of undeletable file or folder from your hard drive. So friends, I hope you like this video. So friends, if you like this video, then please press like button. Also you can share this video with your friends and your social media, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for my upcoming new videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video.